Hey guys, it's me Elise, and I hope you guys are all doing well. Welcome back to our channel. I'm back with a new video. So I have some hair from a company called Lush Wigs. This is my first time working with this company. So yeah, let's see how their hair is. So this is everything that came with my wig, and here is my wig here. I have their deep wave transparent lace front wig. So the lace on this wig is transparent, so I will be tinting the lace on here. As you guys can see, the knots are already pre-bleached. I didn't have to do anything with the knots, and it really did save me a whole lot of time. Here is the texture, absolutely gorgeous. I actually didn't want to wash this hair out. I just wanted to just tint the lace and get the wig on. However, there was a slight odor, so I highly recommend you guys washing your wigs first. Just add a half a cap full of fabric softener and it should get that smell right out. I also wanted to go ahead and put the wig on prior to me doing anything to it. You guys can see that that transparent lace is really light, so that is the reason why I'm going to tint that part. And here's what the wig looks like. It looks pretty good. The curls are absolutely gorgeous. But yeah, so you guys seen this process done plenty times before. I'm going to add a little bit, or actually a lot of bit, of my right synthetic fabric dye to the water. You don't want to add that much. I got a little carried away, but I did add extra water to kind of help dilute it down. So now you're just going to go ahead and dip that lace in that dye. Just hold it down for a few seconds and then pull it out. You're going to check to see if it reaches your desired color. That works for me. And now I'm just going to go in and shampoo and condition my wig. Once I get finished with that, I will see you guys once I'm done. Okay, so on to customizing this wig. I didn't do too much. I just wanted to thin out the hairline a little more. As you guys can see, this wig is already pre-plucked, so if you're a beginner, you can just leave this as is. I'm going to go in and just thin it out just a little bit to make it look a little realistic. You guys know the routine. I separate my baby hairs from the remainder of the hairline and just thin it out a bit, and then I'm going to push those baby hairs back and thin that out as well. I also went in and tweezed out the part. However, you guys, be really careful when you do that, because I have this crazy obsession with tweezing my parts with the wig on a canvas block, and I never do the part straight. It's always crooked, lopsided. So you guys, put it on your head first, then part it, and then tweeze it. But yeah, so this is what the front perimeter is looking like. It's looking really nice and natural and realistic. Gonna also add a little bit of my foaming wrap mousse just to kind of help mold this wig together. And yeah. Okay, so this is the next day. The wig is completely dry. Even though it doesn't look like it, it looks so full of luster and just gorgeous. But yes, the wig is completely dried. This is what it's looking like. Those waves are, oh my gosh. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and get the wig on now, and I want to just kind of give you guys a heads up. I will be redoing this wig towards the end of this video. I didn't really like the way I laid my baby hairs. I kind of wish that I just left the wig just like how you see it right now without any baby hairs, but it was late. It was real late. I probably should have waited to film the video the next day, but it was late and I kind of had like this burst of energy, and then halfway through the video I got tired and I don't even really know. But you guys are gonna see me lay the baby hairs, and I just didn't like them. No, I never do my baby hairs like this. I don't know what in the world I was thinking. But the more I watched this video, I just couldn't. I couldn't. But I just kind of wanted you guys to see first day hair, what this hair looks like first day. Absolutely gorgeous. And yeah, definitely do a better job than I did on your baby hairs, or even if you don't even use them, will be perfectly fine. Don't know what I was thinking this night. But get into the hair. The hair is gorgeous. You cannot say anything about the hair. It is absolutely gorgeous. It's just full of shine. Yeah, you really don't have to do much to the hair. It just pops like that. But it's just them baby hairs though, girl. So yeah, so this is second day. So I just decided to film this video during the day so you guys can see the hair in natural lighting. And I actually decided to kind of temporarily adhere this wig down, so I'm going in with my Got To Be glued. I'm using a little bit of that, and then off camera I also use a little bit of my lace melt spray just to kind of help disguise that transparent lace, because it was still a little too light, but it wasn't bad at all. You probably don't even notice it. So now I'm going in with my MAC Studio Fix powder in dark, just going in that parting area to allow it to look like scalp. And you guys, now that's what I'm talking about. The baby hairs are minimal, although you do not need them. I just feel the need for them because I have a big forehead, and you know, I have a need for them. But you guys, this hair is absolutely gorgeous. You guys check out Lush Wigs. I will have all the information located in the info section below. And just a few specs. I have the deep wave transparent lace front wig. Mine is 24 inches long, 150% density, and this has a 13 by 6 inch lace. The knots are already pre-bleached and pre-plucked, so this is definitely a beginner friendly wig. So you guys, let me know which style you guys prefer better. Do you guys like the baby hairs or with the minimal baby hairs? You guys let me know in the comment section below. And yeah, I'll talk to you guys on the next video. Bye guys.